What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Last week we got the car running, back to how it was running, and it's not amazing. This time we got a carb. This was on an old 2002 and we know it works good, so we might try slapping this on and see what happens. Join us and let's do it. So we got this little old rusty component. We saw that our car is missing this, but that car is not. Let's go check it out. We found this in our old parts stash. Very rusty condition, but look at that.
Perfect fit.
Okay, this one's a little different actually, but check it out. There's a little part on the bottom here, but it looks like it just bolts up here. The vacuum from the fuel comes in here.
Yeah, it's like this.
Yeah, we always had this plugged. We never really used it, but
dude, I feel like I have a good feeling about this.
I feel like it might work. So
I don't really want to use that though.
I feel like let's swap this one over because it looks much better.
Yeah.
But if we run some fuel through here, maybe it would be fine to use in the future.
Well, for just testing purposes, let's try that one.
We'll swap this on, change this line out, and maybe get some new hose from the auto store. But let's compare the other differences, because if you look here, 32, 36 carb, same thing. Everything else is the same. I'm sure the jetting is probably similar or the same. This works the same, linkage. This thing is plugged. Don't know. Does ours even have that? This actually looks like it's the one of the adjustment screws. We'll have to compare that. It does have this type of choke. I'm not sure if this is that a choke?
Yours is smaller.
Oh, right here. This is the choke. This might be a vacuum choke. Is that a thing? Look at ours. Ours runs off the coolant. Coolant line comes in from here.
That has the same thing, but it's thinner. And
well, no, look.
it runs off air or something.
Seems like vacuum.
Yeah, I mean vacuum.
Fuel. The hot fuel goes in and heats it up.
Brake fluid.
But what is this? It looks like some kind of diaphragm.
Looks like a UFO.
Dude, this is a
alien technology.
This is Elon Musk electric motor. Let's pull this thing off. Dude, that would be awesome if that's all it is.
Well, we did the timing already. We did everything.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if our timing is good, but we definitely tried to set it as best as we could. Many times. So for those of you that haven't seen this issue before, you can go back and watch our old videos from a year ago. There's a lot of them where we could just not get the car to rev past 4K. We did fix the dieseling issue though. That was successful. You know? But we changed the jets on the carburetor. We timed it. We rebuilt the carburetor. What else did we do? We did all the ignition system. We changed everything. We have the hot spark system now, so there's no points. We changed all the spark plugs, wires, distributor cap. Pretty much all new stuff. All Bosch OEM. We did all the fuel lines. We know we're getting fuel. Getting spark. Not much more it could be. So that's kind of our system. So I believe the vacuum will go in here. Fuel in comes in here. Fuel out goes through here. Pretty simple.
Let's rock and roll.
Alright, so I think we're gonna need a slightly different diameter hose. Yeah, that's definitely a 6mm. Is it gonna leak? No leaks. Yeah, that looks like 6mm. And I think it's an 8mm on here. So we might need to convert it. Or just clamp it on. Actually, no, that should be fine. This one should be fine, but on the other end, And on this end, we're gonna need a 6mm like inner diameter hose. So we're gonna make sure our vacuum line that goes to the tank is all clear. Blow some air through it. And then we found a little piece of fuel hose that will work. We should be almost ready. There we go. So we'll just run some air through here. And see that it's going through. That way when we hook it up to our regulator, I think it's a fuel pressure regulator, we'll hook it up there and then should get a vacuum on the tank and hopefully restrict the flow a little bit so that our Weber can get the full amount of fuel it needs. So I'll be on this end and you go on there and check it out.
All right, hit it. It's good. Yeah. Yeah, it runs smoothly.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Solid, dude. I think we're ready to hook it up. We got the fuel hose. Let's do it. I'm gonna cut the hose a little bit because it's a little bit crusty. Dude, good as new. Much better than that cracked one. So this will go over here. Oh, I see. Dude, no wonder that one was so cracked. Look at this radius.
Mm-hmm.
We could probably route it kind of like this, and then
That'd be better.
that would be good. So tighten this down a bit. Dude, I'm pretty excited. If this helps at all, that's gonna be insane. Because we spent a lot of time trying to figure out what was wrong.
Well, we didn't look in the parts bin and try to figure out what we're missing. It looked like it makes sense. I mean, fuel pump, carb, fills up the bowl, and good to go.
Yeah.
Didn't think about fuel pressure regulator because we didn't even see it.
Exactly. So, all right, man, we're in. We're in. We do need a little bit more hose for this, for there. Let's use this. This is not the correct size, so I don't know how good it would be to use this. But this vacuum one should be good.
Clamp it.
Bam. Looks like OEM. All right, so we got fuel pump here coming out. It's going to the fuel regulator. We got vacuum from straight from the gas tank coming in through here, and then that goes into the Weber carburetor. Let's rip it. Got the keys. I think it'll fire right up.
Hey, fire right up.
Fire right up.
Fired right up.
Dude, that thing fired right up. Oh yeah.
Hey, let her warm up, buddy.
All right. We got fuel? There's like no fuel in here, dude.
It runs on fumes. Dude, the alternator's moving before you give it gas.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
black thing. Let's rip it.
Alright, so after doing a little bit more research and tinkering with the engine a bit and doing a few test drives, we figured out that our distributor is ends in 008, which from our research is from a TII BMW, which is not for this car. And we don't really know the history of the car since we bought it from an owner that owned it after the people that modified it. So we're gonna go to our parts cars and see if we can get a distributor that ends in 002 or 006-ish and try to swap it on there, see what happens. Because at this point we tried timing, we tried fuel, we tried carb related stuff, and nothing is working, so we think it's a distributor. So we're gonna go get it one and try it out.
Range Rover dash cam.
Dude, Range Rover, man, that's sick. Black. Wearing all black. Yeah, man, you changed your bushings?
I did, yeah. $12. About 10 minutes. Done. Pretty quick.
Nice.
Common issue on these Range Rovers.
You got them from Honda, right?
I did, yeah.
Dude, that's
They were
weird.
cheaper at Honda.
Oh,
jackpot.
Oh yeah. Look at this race car. We got all the 2002s back here. Don't show them too much. That one's for you.
Nice. I think I'd take this one before that one.
But this one has a sick engine.
Sick.
Beautiful. Let's see what distributor this one has. Oh, that one also has a
TI?
Hey, look, it mounts to the carburetor,
Where?
to the vacuum port.
Oh. Dude, just take off those holes.
Wonder if I can get a picture of this one. What's that? Oh,
Oh,
big
supercharger.
wow!
What, you didn't know? TII Super?
Wow.
What is this? Look at that little
BDC.
big boy.
That does not look OEM. You know what I noticed? Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's all the cars. Look at that. Rocket tip. Oh yeah.
Ooh, rough.
Oh, slammed. Slammed.
Let's check this one. Does it have a distributor?
I don't know if the hood is attached.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not.
Alright.
You ready?
Parts store.
Parts department.
Oh, nice.
Smells like BMW. Alright, so this is where the distributor will go. But where's the distributor? We got a head right there.
I think I see a part of the distributor. Right here.
Yeah.
Isn't that the dizzy cap?
Yeah, much here.
Right here.
There's definitely one or two.
That's the piece of it.
Hey, look at that, keys.
Ooh.
That might be useful. Maybe we'll vacuum route the vacuum lines. Okay. Yeah. Alright, here's the distributor we got. It's a little bit rusty, but seems to be in good condition. These wires also look to have been changed at some point. They look actually similar to the ones we have. So we took a peek inside here. Looks fine. we're just gonna clean it up, throw it in. How's the progress?
It's going.
So we're just loosening that bottom shaft collar.
I'm taking it fully off.
Oh, okay.
Because I think so this is the new one that we just got. We noticed no shaft plate at all. And then on the one that we are taking off our car,
Oh yeah.
a little bit of play. Not sure if that's gonna make a difference, but man, this thing turns smooth though. But we're gonna see.
How does that one turn?
I don't think that's smooth. And the new distributor in. There's the dizzy cap. Seated.
Look at all your numbers marked on there.
And we have to tighten these guys.
You could probably leave it loose because we'll be playing with it to get it tuned.
Good point.
And I think this wire, I think it was this wire that plugs into the back little coil. I forgot the name of it. So don't forget that one. We'll probably want to put a vacuum line on there.
Just the top cap. There we go. This is brand new, man. We bought this. I remember.
So we tried the other plugs and they did not fit our spark plugs. I think the little ends need to be screwed off the end thread on the spark plugs, which we don't really want to
nice. That totally clicks.
do. The other one just were not going on.
Ooh.
Man, this thing is gonna fire up, I hope.
This thing gonna fly.
Here we go. Play with the distributor.
We didn't plug anything in onto the coil thing, or do we need to?
I don't think we need to.
Okay.
It almost sounded like it cranked. That was fast. I don't think it's getting a spark though.
I don't know, man. I like twisting and stuff.
Because that one's using the old system with the
Points.
points, which we got rid of that.
Yep. Ready?
Yeah. Wait. Okay, go. There's a part where it cranks faster. Okay, we got this old capacitor we're gonna try out.
Made in Turkey. That one's made in Germany.
It might work. Let me see the old one. This one actually doesn't look too bad. We will also clean the points on this distributor. As you can see, our old one, it has the hot spark or whatever it's called, electronics. But it works good, so if anything, we can try that instead of the points.
It's good. This is new though.
Yeah, but these can be different. I'd rather just leave that on there.
All right, let's put it back in.
So we swapped that capacitor, and we also cleaned the points. Ready for round 2. Round 4. Nope. All right, go for it. Uh-oh, blown engine. Oh,
It's sparking.
did you hear that?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay,
We have a lot of fuel in the system.
go, crank it.
A lot of gas in the system, man.
I know. You just need to let it breathe, man. Go for it. What's up?
Weird, man. Alright guys, so we messed with the distributors, and what we didn't realize is internally they're like flip-flop. They're the other sides. So it's getting really late tonight, but we're gonna do some research and see, because we have the hot shot distributor thing internal and it's not fitting on the other one. We're gonna try it. So we're gonna do some research, see if we can flip it or if there's an adapter plate for the other distributor. And next week we should get this car running, and hopefully it'll rev past 4,000 RPM. But thanks for watching this week's video, and stay tuned for next week. See ya.